south, out in the middle of the track. Mr. Suffolk goes for the lead with Manort Moonshot alongside. 3 wide is Port and Storm. Around the first turn, out in the middle of the track, Mr. Suffolk with the lead. They go down the backstretch. Mr. Suffolk in front, Manort Moonshot second, and driving between horses is Sly Attorney. Down the backstretch, Mr. Suffolk with the lead. Manort Moonshot 3 wide between horses. That is Sly Attorney going for the lead. At the quarter pole, Sly Attorney up to take the lead. Mr. Suffolk is second. Port and Storm on the outside third. Manort Moonshot fourth. Shannon O'Brien off the rail fifth. Count Ricky sixth. Clanchon's Torpid seventh. Out of you, Collins. Off stride around the paddock turn is Shannon O'Brien. The quarter mile in 30 3. At the top of the stretch the first time, Sly Attorney leads it by a length and a half. Mr. Suffolk second. Port and Storm on the outside is third. Manort Moonshot fourth. Clanchon's Torpid fifth. Count Ricky sixth. Out of you, Collins seventh. Saratoga Stan eighth. Storybook Chip ninth, and far back pacing to Shannon O'Brien, the half mile in 103 1. They go round the clubhouse turn the final time. Sly Attorney leads it by 2 lengths. Mr. Suffolk is second along the inside. Manort Moonshot third. On the outside, Port and Storm fourth. Clanchon's Torpid moving up on the far outside fifth and going up. At the three-quarter pole, Sly Attorney leads it by 2.5 lengths. Clanchon's Torpid drives the outside to take second. Mr. Suffolk back to third. Manort Moonshot fourth. They're by the three-quarter pole in 134 2. Into the final turn. Sly Attorney leads it by 3.5 lengths. The other half of the field. Clanchon's Torpid now second. Mr. Suffolk third. Manort Moonshot fourth. In the stretch for the finish. Sly Attorney opens up a 3.5 length lead. Along the inside, Mr. Suffolk regains second. That's Clanchon's Torpid third. Sly Attorney in front.